What up? It's your boy Tony, and today we're gonna be trying out these, like, a bunch of different shits my mom has. She got the shit from a food bank. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but today we will be doing a review. Oh shit, wait. This is Pringles Hot Ones. I don't know what flavor that is, so let's try that. It's all right. I give that shit like a 6 out of 10, to be honest. It's not too bad. Next up we got Pringles Hot and Spicy. Let's check it out. One second. Okay, look at that. It's kind of like, kind of brownish. This is actually not too bad. That's like, reminds me of I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but it's actually not too, that's not too bad. That shit like an 8 out of 10. I'd probably eat that if it wasn't expired. I got some tea here. Okay, we have some Pringles, mini Mingles, what the cheddar and sour cream. We're gonna try these out. This shit tastes like nothing. Honestly, I got this shit a 1, bruh. Hold up. Right now, this is something special. Never seen this shit in my life. Japanese mochi. What? Yo, we finna check this shit out. Hold on. I'm gonna open it, y'all. But what's good, y'all? I got like a little bit of this shit open. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna show you. There's like quite a few different flavors here. I don't know what I want to try though. Hold on. Honestly, let's try this pink shit. It looks kind of good. Okay. Come on. Bitch. Okay. We have this little sesame seed looking thing with a show on camera. Y'all see that? Doesn't really have a scent. Alright. Let's dig in. I love y'all.